Alright, let's cut to the chase. You've got that sleek, new Robinhood Cash Card sitting in your hand, or maybe it's still in its envelope, burning a hole in your pocket. You're ready to swipe, tap, and earn those sweet weekly rewards, but it's not working. You're staring at it, wondering, did I miss a step? Is it broken? Am I just doing this wrong? Sound familiar? You're not alone. Navigating the world of digital finance can sometimes feel like trying to decipher an ancient scroll. We're bombarded with updates, features, and, let's be honest, sometimes confusing interfaces. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to demystify the process of activating your Robinhood Cash Card, ensuring you're up and running in no time. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. Why is this card even a big deal? Why are so many people, including you, eager to get it activated? Well, the Robinhood Cash Card is more than just a piece of plastic. It's your gateway to seamless spending, direct access to your brokerage cash, and those tempting weekly rewards we mentioned earlier. It bridges the gap between your investments and your everyday purchases, making your money work harder for you. And in a world where every dollar counts, that's a pretty compelling proposition. Think about it. You're at the grocery store, grabbing your essentials, and with a simple tap of your card, you're not only paying for your groceries, but also potentially earning rewards that can boost your investment portfolio. It's like a mini investment every time you spend. That's the power of the Robinhood Cash Card. But here's the catch. None of that happens until you activate it. It's like having a brand new car with the keys in your hand, but you can't start the engine. So, let's get that engine roaring. The first thing you need to understand is that the activation process is designed to be straightforward. Robinhood, like many fintech companies, prioritizes user experience. They want you to get up and running quickly so you can start enjoying the benefits of their platform. However, even the simplest processes can have their quirks, and that's where we come in. Let's get into the actual steps. The first and most crucial step is ensuring you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed on your smartphone. This is non-negotiable. Updates often include critical bug fixes and improvements that streamline the activation process. So, head over to your App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and check for any available updates. If there's one, download and install it. Once you've confirmed your app is up to date, open it and log in. You'll need your username and password, or you can use biometric authentication if you've set it up. Now, navigate to the Cash Card section. This is typically located within the Account or Banking tab, but the exact location might vary slightly depending on the app's version. If you're having trouble finding it, use the search function within the app. Inside the Cash Card section, you should see an option to activate card. Tap on it. You'll likely be prompted to enter the CVV code from the back of your card. This is a security measure to verify that you have the physical card in your possession. Enter the CVV code accurately and proceed. Next, you may be asked to confirm your personal information. This is another security step to ensure that the card is being activated by the rightful owner. Double-check your name, address, and other details to make sure they are correct. If you spot any errors, correct them before proceeding. After confirming your information, you'll likely be asked to create or confirm your PIN. This is the 4-digit code you'll use when making purchases at ATMs or point-of-sale terminals. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious combinations like 1234 or 0000. Once you've set your PIN, the activation process should be complete. You'll likely receive a confirmation message within the app. However, don't rush out to start spending just yet. There's one more crucial step, making a small transaction. This step is often overlooked, but it's essential. Making a small transaction, like buying a coffee or a pack of gum, activates the magnetic stripe and chip on your card. It also helps to ensure that your card is properly linked to your Robinhood account. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, don't panic. First, double-check that you've followed all the steps correctly. Common mistakes include entering the wrong CVV code or PIN. If you're still having trouble, try restarting your smartphone and relaunching the Robinhood app. If the problem persists, it's time to reach out to Robinhood's customer support. They have a dedicated team that can assist you with any issues you may be experiencing. You can usually contact them through the app or their website. Be prepared to provide them with your account information and details about the issue you're encountering. Now, let's address some common questions and troubleshooting tips. My card isn't showing up in the app. This could be due to a few reasons. First, ensure you've received the card in the mail. If you haven't, contact Robinhood support. If you have the card, make sure you're logged into the correct Robinhood account. If you have multiple accounts, you might be logged into the wrong one. I'm getting an error message during activation. Error messages can be frustrating, but they often provide clues about what's going wrong. Read the message carefully and try to understand what it's telling you. If you're unsure, take a screenshot of the error message and provide it to Robinhood support. My card isn't working at the ATM. Make sure you've activated your card and set your PIN. Also, check that the ATM accepts debit cards and that you have sufficient funds in your Robinhood brokerage cash. If you're still having trouble, try a different ATM. I can't remember my PIN. If you've forgotten your PIN, you'll need to reset it through the Robinhood app. Look for the Forgot PIN option in the Cash Card settings. You'll likely be asked to verify your identity before you can reset your PIN. What are the weekly rewards? The weekly rewards vary and are subject to change. They are typically based on your spending habits and can include bonus rewards on specific categories or cashback offers. Check the Robinhood app for the latest rewards and offers. Can I use my Robinhood Cash Card internationally? Yes, you can use your Robinhood Cash Card internationally wherever MasterCard is accepted. However, be aware of potential foreign transaction fees. Robinhood generally does not charge foreign transaction fees, but the ATM or merchant may. Is my Robinhood Cash Card FDIC insured? Yes, your Robinhood brokerage cash is FDIC insured up to $250,000 through program banks. Remember, the Robinhood Cash Card is designed to simplify your finances and make your money work harder. By following these steps and troubleshooting tips, you can activate your card and start enjoying its benefits. And if you're still having issues, Robinhood support is there to help. So, go ahead, activate your card, make that small transaction, and start reaping the rewards. You've got this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.